Yes, very good morning, students. Today we are going to learn new chapter, areas of parallelograms and triangles. So first let us understand the term area. So in order to define the area, a part of a plane enclosed by a simple closed figure is called planar region. Is called planar region. The measure of the planar region is called area. Its area. It means that, let us suppose this is a plane. So in this plane we are taking a part. So this is some part. So this part, it is very close to figure. So now whatever the measuring area is there, we are going to call that area, that region as a area. So this is the definition of the area. Next we will discuss. So in the previous chapter we have discussed congruent figures. So let me have a quick revision of that. So congruent figures. So two figures are said to be congruent if they have same shape and the same size. So if we take triangle ABC and if I take triangle DEF, if I say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF, then clearly we can say that area of triangle ABC is equals to area of triangle DEF. Why? Because two congruent figures will have the same area. So area of triangle ABC is equals to area of triangle DEF. Next we will see figures on the same base and between same parallel lines. So let us try to understand by taking a figure here. So this is A, B, C, D. So this is E. Yes. If you observe this, here we have A, B, C, D is a parallelogram and ABE is a triangle. So if you observe these two, they are having the same base AB. They are having the same base AB. So figures on the same base and between the same parallel lines. So this is having the same base, but they are not between the same parallel lines. So this is the first type of figure. Second type of figure, let us take. So PQRS so here PQRS is a parallelogram and ABQP is also a parallelogram, and moreover they are having the same base PQ and they are between the same parallel lines PQ and RS. So they are having the same base as PQ and they are between the same parallel lines. PQ is parallel to IS. So this is the concept where two figures are having the same base and between the same parallel lines. So this will not come into our picture. So second one will be correct. So the figure should have the same base as well as the figure should be between the same parallel lines. Now the same figure, if I consider like this third figure, let me draw. The same figure with a triangle we can draw like this. A, B, C, D, E. So here triangle ABE and parallelogram ABCD are having the same base and between the same parallel lines. So this is the concept. Just we are working out to look at the figures where they are having the same base and between the same parallel lines. So here we can take more and more examples just to identify what are they having the same base and between the same parallel lines or not. Let us prove one theorem. So the theorem one. So parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallel lines then their areas are equal. Areas are equal. So if you observe this figure, A, B, C, D, E, F. So this is the theorem statement, and so what we need to prove? To prove is that area of ABCD is equals to area of EFBA. So this is the proof that we need to do. So let us start the proof. So in triangle ADE and triangle BCF, if you observe these two triangles, so AD is parallel to BC and DF is a transversal. DF is a transversal. So this is parallel, AB is parallel to AD is parallel to DC and DF is a transversal. So angle ADE is equals to angle BCF. These are called as corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. So similarly we can see AD is parallel to BF and DF is a transversal. DF is a transversal. So we can write angle AED is equals to angle BFC. This comes under also corresponding angles. The third one, angle DAE is equals to angle CBF. This is angle sum property. So in congruency, we don't have any kind of AA congruency rule, but we know that AD is equals to BC. Why? Because opposite sides of a parallelogram. Opposite sides of a parallelogram. So opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Now according to ASA congruency rule, triangle ADE is congruent to triangle BCF. So if two triangles are congruent, we can easily say that area of triangle ADE is equals to area of triangle BCF. So these two triangles will have equal area. Now if you take area of ABCD, it can be written as area of ADE plus area of ECBA. So in place of area of ADE, I will write area of triangle BCF. Area of triangle BCF plus area of ECBA. So if you combine this BCF and BCF and ECBA, that can be written as area of EFBA. So area of ABCD, we have proved that that is equal to area of EFBA. Hence proved. So this is the theorem statement that if two parallelograms are on the same base and between the same parallel lines, then their areas are equal.